and welcome back to our channel. Rosie here, and today you've got a 5-minute legs. And I say legs because mine feel like they're still shaking. So hopefully you're excited for this one. Do you like to work your quads and your glutes and your calves? If you do, get ready. I'll see you on the mat. Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today you've got your lower body workout, 5 moves. We're going to start with move number 1, and we're going to start from the bottom of the legs. So you're going to do your calf raises today. For your first variation, you want to take your toes out and away from one another. We're going to put our high heels on, and we're going to raise all the way up, rise. We're going to raise all the way up onto those tippy toes for half the work time, and then we're going to change. But if you're anything like me, and your calves seem to want to scream at any sort of work, then this is going to be a little bit of a burner. So keep going as high as you can, pulling the entire leg to the top. We've got 3, 2, 1, last one. Change those toes to face in towards one another, same thing. And this is, that burn kicks in. Comment below. Yep, I'm with you, Rosie. They started burning at the exact same point, or no, I've got calves of steel. I'm a superwoman, or superman. Keep going. Woo! This is so bad. 3, 2, last one. I need to do more power walking around Tunbridge Wells, and I think I'd have stronger calves. Right, move number 2 today. We're going to start with our legs pulled nice and narrow. We're going to go into a jumping move. So you're going to sink low and you're going to stay low, and we're going to jump out and in, which after those calf raises is a little bit spicy. Keep going. We're going 45 seconds, staying low, pushing those legs. And let's go. You can always dance. Da, 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 da. Keep going. Push yourselves, come on. Feeling the quads yet? They should have kicked in. Come on. If you're not, maybe pick up your pace. Push it. 3, 2, last one. Rest. Nice work. Down to the floor we go. Now you're going to come into like a side plank position, but kneeling stance. So you're making like a zigzag with your legs, and you're bringing your elbow underneath your shoulder, okay? From here, we want to keep the chest lovely and open. Lift your hips into position, and then we're going to leg lift. Tap and lift. We're going half work time. One side, half the other. Point your toes and make sure from that tippy toe all the way up to your glute is working. Should be all working together, should be a strong leg. If someone came over to me and tried to push me over, it wouldn't work. Last one. Good job. Switch. Same thing other side. Lift, extend, let's go. Pushing that leg. Is your toe pointed? Have you got good toes or naughty toes? Keep going. We've got 3, 2, 1. You're going to stay on this side, but you're going to come all the way down. You're going to stay in that zigzag position with those legs, and keeping your heels together, like Mary Poppins' feet, you're going to open your knees out and away from one another. For half work time this side, and then we transition. That transition's probably getting your heart rate up to turn around and make it in time. 3, 2, squeeze through that glute, last one. Yes guys, let's change. Woohoo! I'm like a really cool mermaid. Off you go. Are you with me, Mary Poppins? Are your heels together? And are you squeezing through those glutes? Mary Poppins or Dorothy? It's a question. Do you have ruby red slippers on? Keep going. Let's get 3 more squeezes. 3, 2, last one. Done. Well done. All right. We're going to do Fifth and final move, jumping. You're going to do a 3 pulse. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to jump. 1, 2, 3. Let's push. Let's get the tension in those legs and then let's explode off the floor. Are you extending those hips and working those legs? Keep going. Push. Come on, guys. Last move of those 5. You've worked everything. You worked your booty. You worked your quads. Woo. You've worked your calves. Keep pushing. Whoa. My legs are definitely tired. Last one. Push. Ah. Almost didn't make it through. The burnout in my quads. Well done. Smashed it. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment below of all the things I probably discussed in that crazy 5 minutes to distract myself from the calf fire. And I'll see you soon for more workouts.